Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make brick in this character without DUIK BASSEL 2. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. First step, select this background and look layer. So first step, select this head, go to solo and click this anchor point icon, move to anchor point down, click selection tool and unsolo. So let's create new controller, right mouse, new and null object. Let's change name face controller and hold control. Let's double click this icon for move to anchor point, center this null object. Then click selection tool and move to here this null object. Okay, and select this nose and select these eyebrows, eyes, modes and nose, parent to this face controller. Select this face controller, let's see. Okay, then right mouse, new and again null object. Let's move to here and hold control, again double click this icon and click selection tool, change scale like this and like this and move to here. Select this right ear and left ear, parent to this null object. Select this null, change name ear controllers and select this left ear. Let's move to right and select this right ear, move to left. Select these two ears, move to back this head. Okay, select this air controller, let's see. Okay, and select this air controllers, parent to this face controller. Select this face controller, parent to this head. Okay, select this head, press R, let's see. Nice. And select this head, parent to this body. Okay, so select this body, go to solo and click anchor point palm behind icon, move to anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Then select this left hand, go to solo and move to anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. Select this right hand, go to solo, move to anchor point again up and click selection tool, unsolo. So our rig is done. We can make animation with this layer keyframes. So let's select this time duration 4 seconds, press N for select work area and go to first second, select this body, let's press R, go to here, make rotation keyframe and change rotation -2. Okay, and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard and change rotation 3. Okay, so we have problem, let's solve it. Select this left hand and right hand, parent to this body for animated with body, these hands, and let's say again. Okay, nice. Select these keyframes, make easies and go to here, make new body keyframe again, go to 10 keyframe, change -3 and go to here, make new body keyframe again and go to 10 keyframe again, change 2. So let's see. Okay, and go to here, finally make new rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframe, change -2. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's select this head, go to here, press R, make rotation keyframe, let's zoom head. Okay, and go to 10 keyframe, change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, and go to here, change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Nice. And go to here, select this head, hold shift, press P, make new position keyframe and go to here, move to down this head, go to again some keyframes. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframes, make easies. So this is bones head animation. Let's see. Nice. Select these 3 keyframes. Hold Alt, move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's select this keyframe, delete, and select these 3 keyframes. Hold Alt, move to left. Let's see. Okay, select this rotation and all position keyframes. Hold Alt, move to right for slowly here the animation. Let's see. Nice. Let's hold Alt, move to left, and select this, move to right. Nice. So in this time, make new rotation keyframe again. Go to here, change rotation like this, and select the 3 keyframes. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, move to here. Let's see. Nice. And go to here, make new rotation keyframe again. Go to 5 keyframes, change rotation like this, and select these keyframes. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, move to here. Let's see. Nice. And finally, make rotation keyframe again. Go to here, change rotation like this, and let's select this first rotation keyframe. Ctrl C, select this, Ctrl V, and select these 3 position keyframes. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, move to here. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, select this left hand and right hand, press R, go to here, make rotation keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe, change rotations like this, and go to 5 keyframes, change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies, and go to here, and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, and change 4, and this 4. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, move to right. Nice. And go to here, make new rotation keyframes again. Go to 10 keyframe, change rotations like this. Again, go to 5 keyframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change rotations like this. Again, go to 4 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change rotation like this and this. Let's see. Okay, select these last 2 keyframes, hold Alt, move to right, and this move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's select these keyframes, last 2 keyframes, move to right. Let's see again. Nice. Okay, and in this time, make new rotation keyframes again. Go to here, change rotations 0. Let's see. Okay, and in this time, make new rotation keyframes again. Go to 10 keyframe, change rotations 7, and this minus 7. And go to 5 keyframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change 3, and this minus 3. Again, go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Change 5, and this minus 5. And move to right these keyframes and this. Let's see. Nice. Not bad. Okay, so select this body. Go to here. Let's hold Shift press P, add bounce effect this body. Make new position keyframe. Go to center and move to down. Go to last keyframe. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make keyframes easies. Let's see. Nice. Select the 3 keyframe, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V, and go to here again, Ctrl V, and here, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, nice. I like it. So, let's select this face and press P, make new position keyframe. Go to here and move to left. Hold Shift press R, go to here, make rotation keyframe, and go to last keyframe. Change rotation 2. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies, and go to here, make new rotation keyframe, and go to last keyframe. Change rotation like this, and go to here, make new position keyframe. go to last keyframe, move to right. Let's see. Let's again. Nice. And go to here, make new rotation and new position keyframes. Go to here, again change rotation and move to right. Let's see. Nice. And finally go to here, make new rotation and new position keyframes. Go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and first rotation keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, select these eyes. Let's press S. Click this icon, make scale keyframe, and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, and change scale 5. Go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies, and Ctrl C these keyframes, and go to here, make Ctrl V. Okay, again Ctrl V. Again here Ctrl V. And here Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice, not bad. Let's select these eyebrows like this, and let's press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to down. Select keyframes, make easies, and go to here, make new position keyframe, move to up. Let's see. Again here, make new position keyframe, go to here, move to down, and go to here, make new position keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, select first position keyframes, select first position keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.